Hello and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. For today's video, I'm going to be making a pasta salad type dish. I'm doing this as part of a collaboration that's happening called Summer Pasta 2021. This is being put on by Sundays with Hart, a fabulous cooking channel. Love them, check them out. And today, I'm going to be making a special dish, and the dish I'm going to do is actually inspired by the time that me and Kieran, we lived in England. We lived there for 6 years, and my favorite dish, thing that I just loved in England, was Coronation Chicken. It was just a great thing to bring to picnics. Well, I'm going to be taking that Coronation Chicken normal recipe, adding some pasta, and making it a Coronation Chicken Pasta salad. First, we're going to boil some pasta. I'm going to use pasta shells. And I'd like to add a little bit of pizzazz to it, so I'm using a little bit of other pasta too. So, Coronation Chicken does have an interesting history. I'd loved for you to hear about it, but I thought, who better than to get my special friend to tell you all about Coronation Chicken?
Let me take you back to 1953. That is when I was coronated and became the Queen of England. For the coronation, I had a large banquet. 2 ladies by the name of Constance Spry, a flower arranger and English food writer, and Rosemary Hume, a cordon bleu chef, were in charge of making a dish to celebrate my coronation. They were inspired by a dish for the silver jubilee of my grandfather, George V. It was called Jubilee Chicken, a curried chicken. Well, they wanted to make a cold chicken dish with a curry sauce, and they called it Coronation Chicken! Now let's get back to Jim and his presentation.
Time to make the sauce. We need 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. We need 1/2 cup of mango chutney, and guess what? I made this mango chutney myself. I canned it because I love canning things. Splash of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. In a large mixing bowl, mix your cooked pasta with that specialty sauce. Chop up some apricots. You can use either fresh apricots or dried. Add to the bowl. Shred and chop some cooked chicken. Add it to the bowl and mix it up. The Coronation Chicken Pasta Salad is complete, and I'm ready to give it a try. Curry flavor definitely pops. And a little bit of sweetness because of that apricot. We have a winner. You should give this one a try. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. What did the man say to the Queen when she had allergies? Bless you, your sinus.